On this video, I'm going to solve a equation with x on each side of the equal sign in which you end up with a two-step equation. This is going to take 7 steps to solve. So you take the original equation, put it into the second step so you can work with it. Once again, when it says add the inverse, the first thing that you do is add the inverse of the x term which is on the right. I see a 5x on the right, so I'm going to put a negative 5x on the right. Then I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to come over here to the left side of the equal sign. I'm going to place it right behind the positive 2x. Paste it over there. Once you have done this, what you need to do is you need to highlight the 0 pair. So come over to the 5x minus the 5x. That is worth nothing. That's worth 0. So you're going to highlight that to show me that it's going to go away. Come down into your third step where you simplify. First thing you simplify is 2x plus negative 5x. That sum is negative 3x. What is still sitting next to those two terms is a positive 3. Bring down your equal sign. The 5x minus 5x is gone, and you're left with a negative 12. Now you can see in this example that we are left with a two-step equation to solve. Copy that, paste it down here, and let's get that solved. The first thing you have to do to solve the two-step equation is try to achieve getting the negative 3x alone. That means I'm going to remove this positive 3x. So I'm going to add the inverse of positive 3 to each side of the equal sign. I'm going to make that red, and then I'm going to immediately copy it. Control C on your keyboard, Control V onto the right side of the equal sign. I'm going to place it right behind the negative 12. Then in this step I also need to highlight the 0 pair. So I do a back highlight on the positive 3, negative 3. Come down to the next step and simplify. On the left side of the equal sign I still have a negative 3x. Bring down my equal sign, and I'm going to simplify negative 12 plus negative 3, which is negative 15. I'm going to take that, copy it, paste it down here so I can work on that. I have to make the coefficient blue and divide by it. So come up here, make your coefficient blue. Remember, when you divide, you have to divide behind a term. So negative 3x divided by negative 3. You cannot put the division symbol before the negative 3x. I forgot to copy that negative 3. Now I'm going to paste it right there behind the division symbol. Come over to the right side of the equal sign. We need to show negative 15 divided by that negative 3. I just pasted it there as well. Now I'm going to simplify each side of the equal sign. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is positive 1, and we still have an x there. Bring down my equal sign, and negative 15 divided by negative 3 is positive 5. And you have now solved the equation.